issues were real. And I want to place on record my team that decided to move out of government. Let me place on record also that we are still part of the Pangu party. We have not resigned as Pangu party members. We are still part of the Pangu party team. We've just had difference of opinion on how things were going, and we decided to take a different approach. Thus you find us in the opposition with like-minded leaders who will share this floor now. And I want to thank, when my team came out, Sir John Tundari with the Liberal Party joined us together and moved as a single unit. As I said yesterday, when people can talk about it, but what do you do? And we've been speaking about issues in the government, and when we agreed, some stayed back. And I want to place on record also my greatest appreciation to the 14 guys who are with me. One strong iron lady member for North Bougainville, and 13 strong leaders who placed their ministry portfolios on the line, who placed personal relationships. And I can agree with Governor Bird when he says it's nothing personal. We just want some things to change. Yeah, it's nothing personal against someone. And coming from me, I should be the last one to make this move. And I don't know why some of our brothers are still sitting on the other side. So let me say, our 14 members are committed to the cause. We don't call ourselves this faction or that faction. We are one single unit now. Assembled together to provide an alternative government that can address some of the major issues that we continue to face. And I want to thank Governor Bird and the leaders who had the confidence in my team and bestowed upon us custody over the nominee position. That nominee position doesn't belong to me, Rainbow Paita. It belongs to this group of members who we've assembled together. And as I said yesterday, one prime minister cannot change the country. It will take a team. And I think the team is here for us to make a change. And I don't need to count the CVs in this room to say they've got the experience, the wealth of experience, the numbers of years they've seen problems, the ability to govern. And I think we've stitched together a very formidable team who took the floor today. And you can see the composure of our leaders when they said in the floor, government should have given us the opportunity. It's a first order of business for us to raise questions. VNC is a democratic process. Us raising issues on the floor on questions, it's a normal process. We should have allowed to raise issues. Issues on fuel shortage, forest, all these issues are still there. VNC will run its course, but the government took an approach to silent debate and they adjourned to tomorrow. So we are fired up, we want to ask questions. Some of us, we were born out of the opposition, so we find ourselves back at home trying to do what we've always done before when we came into parliament. So I just want to thank opposition leader, deputy opposition leader, Governor Bird, the last man standing. The second last man standing was taken by Governor for Milin Bay. In this morning he said, I'm the second last man standing. So Governor Milin Bay and all our, and including two of our very strong leaders who've assembled together, provided by some senior leadership in this room, Sepuka, our knights in the realm, they've joined us for this cause. So I have full confidence in the team, maybe not in myself, but in the team that we've assembled together to form a new government. And numbers are still fluid, exchanges are still there. You can see the body language on the floor. There was no hostility. We were shaking hands, we were greeting each other. So it's still fluid, the game is still on. My personal statement on why I made my decision to exit, I would like to exercise my right on the floor and look some of these members in the eye and make a speech instead of just speaking it to the media. So tomorrow I will ask leave of parliament under section 68 of the standing orders for him to allow me to make a personal explanation. And I want to put some comments in order, some facts in order, and who is who, and then state to the country why I made my position to join the opposition. So I won't say much. So with that, I want to thank everyone here and the leadership provided by our strong governor. Oh well, my former vice minister. Now we find ourselves in the opposition. So former minister and former vice minister. So I thank everyone. Former Minister of Energy, Honorable Karen Gakua. The Sir Puka, who's the leader of our development party, Liberal Party, PNC party led by former Prime Minister, and PPP led by last man standing. Thank you, and James Donald as well, Honorable James Donald, who's leading a party as well. We hope to stitch together what will be a new government. and start to address all our problems as aggressively and formidable as this team. I have full confidence we can put together the package and offer to the country that this is what we have to do and we must do. With that, thank you very much.
Thank you.